Let's first go to our web browser and search MongoDB download. Open up the first link and under community server, click and select package and choose your platform and choose the version from here. And since I have a Windows, I'm going to go with 64-bit Windows version, and I'm going to select MSI package because it is much easier to install rather than unpacking the zip files. And I'm going to select download, and the installer will be downloaded. After the package is downloaded, open a file and the installer will run. And click and agree the terms and condition. Select the complete installation and make sure you check mark install MongoDB as a service and select the first option and click next. Click next and select install, and the MongoDB will be installed on your computer. And in this way, you can install MongoDB 6 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.